Hello, good morning, guys. This is Sunny Vishkarma. I hope all okay. So let's start one video for today, guys. As of now, as you know, we completed the registration and nomination process, and export operation process is already started. In my practical training number 36, we understand about the CLP and SLP, container and shipping load plan. So what next? So guys, let us understand important step before container handover to the shipping lines. There is two option and two steps. Number one, that is VGM, verified cross mass. That is the vessel visa. Why we called vessel visa? Because that is the mandatory by the vessel master and the shipping line to verify VGM. It's most important. Second one is the form 13, that is also called the vessel visa. Without form 13, you cannot enter in the terminal areas and load your container onto the vessel. So this is two important thing we need to understand about this one in detail. So let's go in my next slide. This is the one VGM, verified gross mass. What is the main reason VGM? What is the definition of VGM? So just guys, for your knowledge purpose, just I am mentioning the reason because this is the most important thing you need to understand. VGM is a verified and certified weight of cargo container, including the cargo, the packaging and the container itself. Its implementation is essential to ensure safety and efficiency in maritime transportation, avoiding accident and ensuring proper weight distribution on ship. So guys, this is means VGM means but ये आपके जो कंटेनर का वेट है प्रॉपर उसको सर्टिफाइड करता है, इंक्लूडिंग द कार्गो, इंक्लूडिंग द lashing, chocking and other equipments which is in the container. Proper VGM is the best option and it is given to the shipping line. That is a mandatory requirement as of now. So आपका proper cross weight रहेगा, then you can send it to the shipping lines and your container will be loaded. This is the most important thing. That is why you need to understand better what is the VGM and who is the regulated body by. So this is most important thing. आपसे interview का questions, this is also an interview question. Someone can ask what is the VGM and who is the regulated body. What is? So you can explain this. The International Maritime Organization introduced the reporting of the VGM in 2016 because any rule and body regulated by the VGM 2016 as part of the International Convention for the Safety of Life at Sea, that means SOLAS. इसका मीनिंग that is a full definition of the SOLAS is safety of life at sea. Anyone can ask the question from you, VGM when is regulated? You can answer it 2016. And what is a regulated body? This is the International Maritime Organization introduced in 2016. Why this rule is implemented? That is the main reason. Because some times in 2016 or before, reporting the VGM is very crucial as incorrect weight declaration. And someone कि आपने एक कंटेनर में वेट डाल दिया का कार्गो वेट है बट उसमें एक्स्ट्रा वेट भी डाल दिया बट दैट इज टाइम यू गिवन द इनकरेक्ट वेट डिक्लेरेशन. दैट इज मोस्ट इम्पैक्ट, दैट इज अ वेरी इम्पैक्ट इन द सी टू अवॉइड अ एक्सीडेंट. एक वेट की कैपेसिटी, आप ये समझिए एक वेट की कैपेसिटी जब 17,000 टन की है देन यू एक्स्ट्रा लोडेड ऑन 20,000 टन, डेफिनेटली इट विल बी एक्सीडेंटेड. तो दिस इज द मोस्ट इंपॉर्टेंट थिंग. यू नीड टू गिव द प्रॉपर correct declaration in the VGM. Accordingly, you file on the shipping line websites and given to the shipping line. That is the most important thing. That is why this rule is implemented to avoid any accident in the transit. That is most important. Reporting the VGM is very crucial as incorrect weight declaration have resulted in accident in the past. That is why the rule is implemented. Incorrect weight declaration can compromise the safe transport of container at sea. That is the most important thing. That is why this rule is implemented. You understand what is the VGM, regulated body, and why the rule is implemented. So let's move in my next slide. The VGM calculation. There is a two types of method of VGM calculation. First method is that weigh the container after it has been loaded and sealed. That is simple procedure. दिस इज कंटेनर का वेट कीजिए, लोडेड एंड सील, आफ्टरवर्ड वेइंग कर दीजिए, आपको क्लियर हो जाएगा. सेकेंड मेथड इज द वीजीएम मेथड टू वे all the cargo and the container of the including pallets and packaging and weight to the container tire weight. The VGM is calculated adding the cargo net weight, lashing, chalking, packaging weight and container tire weight. So this is the second method, but this is too much complex. That is why I mentioned everyone use method 1 to avoid any problem. And per container tolerance limit less than 1 ton container wise. This is the most important thing you need to understand. 1 ton के अंदर अंदर थोड़ा बहुत चल जाएगा. It is accepted by the shipping line as well. But if this is above, it can create a problem. So give the correct declaration. Weight declaration should be correct as per the regulation compliance. So this is the important thing, because in this VGM totally shipper is the responsible for declaration the weight, because he give the declaration on his letterhead. That is why weighing and VGM declaration should be very correct and very important. This is the document and calculation. Let us move in my next slide. So let us understand process with images. So guys, I will let you know how the things is going on, why the VGM has been come and when it is come. So first one is, as you know, a container has been sealed by the custom and is it ready for the weighing. The first image is showing this is types of container is sealed and loaded on the truck trailer and going for the weighing. So container sealed and move for the weighing. In the second image, container on weighing scale for weighment. This is the weighment. You can see in the second image, the bottom is the platform is the weighing machine. So container put on the weighing machine and for the weighment purpose. Once the weight is done, then you see get the slip from the CFS or ICT person. In the third slide, you can see once the cargo is weighment is done and everything is completed, then in ICD you can see the train is already placed and by the Kalmar, it is going by the crane and Kalmar, it is going for the loading container. So this is how the thing is going. After weighment done, container moved and loaded on train to Mundra port from ICD TKD Delhi. This is the image. The things is going on like that. In the fourth image, you can see the VGM container booking copy. In the image, you can see the VGM and Form 13 cutoff time for vessel visa. There is a cutoff. You can see in the booking VGM cutoff and Form 13 cutoff for visa vessel. In the booking is also mentioning the visa vessel, because this is two form is very mandatory as per the shipping lines. That is why this is the visa vessel. This is called visa vessel. So this is two important thing. We understand about the VGM Form 13 like a format, and it should be filed by the forwarder. Let us move in my next slide. Let us understand with format of VGM and important container are included. This is the most important thing. VGM details. So VGM detail who will be provide? The VGM detail will be provided by the CHA and it should be printed on shipper letterhead. Form 13 will be filed by the forwarder and Odex software. So this is the things is going on. What is the important thing? Number one, you need to mention information about verified gross mass of container. This is the practical that is I am sharing with you. This is the image. Name of the shipper, booking number, shipper registration license number, IC number, name and designation of the officer or official of the shipper authorized to sign and stamp. Who is the authorized official of the shipper? Container number, container size, what is the 40 feet, maximum permission weight of container as per the CSC plate. It should be mentioned on the container, that is the 35,500 kg. CSC plate is very important. It should be templated in the, put it in the container. That is the most important thing. You need to check it before getting the container, empty container. That should be CSC. Way Weighbridge registration number and address of Weighbridge. This is the Mundra port and the Weighbridge is done. That is why I'm sharing with you with details. Weighing method, method 1 and method 2. We used a method 1. Verified gross mass of the container 96046 kg plus 390 kg is the container weight. Total weight it is the 1350 kg. That is a very simple method 1. Unit of measure kgs in date and time of weighing, that is this one. Weighing slip number which you received from the CFS or ICD, that is this. Type normal container hai, that is if acid it's non-acid non-applicable. Signature of the. So final and most important thing, the weighment and VGM detail will be provided by the CHA and to be printed on the zipper letterhead. Form 13, that is the form, should be filed by the forwarder on ODEX software. This is the software and the forwarder using this software for the filing form 13, that is called the visa. So guys, this is all about the VGM and form 13, and we'll move for the sailing in the next video. I will let you know about the sailing procedure, vessel sailing, how the things is going on. Thank you so much, and let us move my final slide. So guys, thanks to all for watching this video and share with the maximum people with and your friends and colleagues. Why should join this channel? Only the practical knowledge and support your day-to-day activities in your job and business. So guys, your one like and subscribes will provide you the next level knowledge. Please support and subscribe and like and comments on the channel. So please help and support and forward this your colleagues who is a learner, who is experienced, whatever. So please share with the maximum to maximum people in India and globally. Thank you so much for the day. Bye and take care. Let us meet in next video. Thank you so much.